Welcome to the video, just a snippet of Foota Hype going off on the LGBTQ community and a word for sponsors, letting them know that it's them need the artists and not the artists who need them, right?
Hear me, son. I want to listen to me good and keenly now. I want to listen to me keenly now. And listen to me carefully, very fucking carefully. All the people them where send me screenshot I want to look at LGBTQ community, boy them I say boy cat ding that. First thing, when I swear for no man, come I can't swear for no man. But Ding Dong has never given me any reason or any movement or any action to believe say him involved in a nothing. Shake it. See? What me I try to say? Ding Dong company live on it. Ding Dong never said nothing disrespectful to no gay person or no person of the LGBTQ community, or him never said nothing offensive when he losing a contract or nothing. On the other hand, Ding Dong might not have no problem with nobody from the gay community or the LGBTQ community. So stop going like you don't want to drive fear in the man and the man for coward. Talk to me. Me have a problem with the LGBTQ community. Me not like uno. Me and uno have problem. Foota Hype Music, aka Oneil Thomas, that I'm a government name, and my company name a Foota Hype Music, has nothing to do with the LGBTQ community. I am scared of uno. Uno threaten my life already publicly. Anyone I want to see come near me or try after me, may I defend myself 100%. Me I tell you no. Oh no, anyone I want to come near me, remember on the threaten public information. So all I want be hypocrite and talk nice. Me not like LGBTQ community people them. Me not like on the behavior. Me not like on the mission. Me not like how I deal it. Me not like nothing at all one of them. Me go anywhere in a blood clot world me want go. Yeah, come talk about go home. The whole world of mine. Me live anywhere me want live. Me not like nobody from the LGBTQ community. Zine, when the behavior nasty, it inhumane, it ungodly, it against the humanity, it against the laws of the universe, it wrong. Me no like no, me no want sue no, me no want have nothing to do no, me no want a contract from none of no, me no want a link, me no want nothing go suck no matter. That me I tell you no dog. Zine, well I make me go on black car, black party I keep it up. Yeah. So me just say, me, not care who else want falter and give in and kiss ass and afraid to talk them mind. Them pussy them threaten my life. Me never see nobody from the LGBTQ community come out and say, oh my God, we're not violent people. Uno don't say that, Ray. Uno never business. Boy, say them a bleach by me out of me never see nobody from the LGBTQ community come out. Me never see none of them come out and a defense say, yo, gay people are against violence against any race, creed, or movement. Uno never business if you no friend go suck on a mother. Me not like uno anyone I wanna come near me and feel threatened and me a fuck on up. Straight up, uno can record this, send it to any embassy, send it to anywhere. Uno have phone to believe and me have mine. Uno have phone to stand that uno live by and me have mine. Me don't know how everybody get afraid to tell Batman say, me not deal with uno deal it, go one side and go suck on no mama. I'm telling you, anything if uno try revoke my green card right now, me I no got a court fee. Cause nobody boy can tell me say me have to accept how him want to live. Jamaican people will stop coward and fret and visa and bumbuckler contract. Every artist will get contract. Them who they gain a contract if you never bus already. At the street bus no, a straight people bus no. Why now everybody has succumb and a crumble to blood clot contract and corporate and all of them people they telling go suck my mama. For you stay at you have to get contract and you have to make money. Once you stay hot and keep doing your work, God go bless you to get money and get everything when you want. Me not have no contract, no pussy no sign me. Me no sign to no corporate, no pay my bills, no mind my pitting them. Go suck on the mama corporate. Yeah, all Batman contract I go suck on the mama. Me no want so no. Me bad, I'm straight, I'm in a business. If me broke and hungry man, me still a bum buckler straight. Go ring out to the mama. Any batty boy come near me and try threaten me life, me a fuck on up. Straight up me I tell you, no batty boy not kill me, no batty boy not rape me. I dead before this honor. Me no want so no. Suck on no mother. Yeah. LGBTQ community, suck on a mother, on a threaten my life. I want to send out threat it up on public platform. No police, no border patrol, no blood clot government can't tell me, say, people who threaten my life, me and them for cool, got suck on a mother. Silent, got suck your mother. You batty boy, no come nowhere near me. No come no dance with me, them, I don't want to see a pussy. I want to hear. Me not afraid if you come tell you go suck your mother silent. You a batty boy. You play the bottom, you a batty boy. No two way to it. Whether you think a girl or man, you batty enough to play with. Suck your mother. You and the LGBTQ community go suck on your mother. Me hate you know. Yeah. LGBTQ community hate me, so me hate them. I fear I told them not like me, them want to kill me. Them say that publicly. So me I said publicly, me not like you neither. Any LGBTQ person come near me and me feel threatened, me I defend myself to the fullest, 100%. Me no response. Me no nice talking to the batty boy. Me no come over here and try fix nothing for the batty boy. Batty boy, go away one side. Go over so with your lifestyle. Me and you not see the same way. We not act the same way. We not live the same way. You can't force your lifestyle upon me. LGBTQ community go suck on no mother. Whether on the Europe, America, Jamaica, Africa, anywhere, batty man they suck on no mother. You hear that? Straight. No apology neither. Me not on a contract. So on a contract they phone a take. I got suck on no matter. As street people book me. Me are for the streets. Foota Hype music is for the street. Who say me chat too much? Alright, all are black. I not play it in an idea. Not play it in an idea. Suck on no matter. Now what I'm telling you. Everybody I get a back one like I don't want to compromise and sorry for batty man through money. Fuck no. Now what I'm telling you. Me not on a contract. On a contract pay, me own everything with me have. Every vehicle me have, me own them. Every play, me get pay and that money they done. Spend back on rent and clothes and picnic. And me broke again and get back money again. Cause suck on the moment, me broke 100 million times. I want to tell you. Me we broke 100 million times. And rise again as sun life go. Blood can't me not run down if you have no 100 million car, 100 million house. And lose my dignity and my pride. Batty boy got suck on the mama. I want to know. Uno threaten my life. If I want to threaten my life, uno my enemy. Me not like none of uno. Me hate uno like poison. See me uno hate me hate uno bum buckler. The pussy all doing about. You come talk about. Straight and very. Me straight. Thanks. Me super straight. Me not deal with lean, no homosexual, no batty business, no lesbian business, me not in. Me super straight. And at time for straight people start blood clot, wake up and start burn the fire. That's why LGBTQ community are going like say, them have no power boy. Oh no power boy. Go suck on the mama. Anyway in the world, me go me have to live. If you don't take one the green card and say go to Jamaica me live. And me on a war till when I we dead. If me go Africa, me on a war till when I we dead. England anyway, me no want soul, me no part of an organization. Me no want benefits from an organization. Me no want nothing from uno ungodly, uno demon, uno Satan pitney. Uno go suck on no woman, uno come go like on somebody. No batty man, no half God. No homosexual, no half God. That's why them things so evil and wicked. If Foota Hype want straight and want burn him out, one that want rape him and kill him, go suck on the mother. As long as breath in my body, I war till death. I want to go suck on no mother on no power. You no can't hold nothing over my life. If me have one biscuit and a cup of water, me good. Me not have to eat lobster and caviar. I want to know a straight people mindset a fuck up. Want to make money and rule, you know. A man go suck him mother them contract. No blood clot contract can't make me say me like Batty, man. Me not like you know. Me not like you know. Me not like you know. Me not want so no. When I come talk now about LGBTQ community, I say them want boycott Dinkan. Go boycott no mother. I want to ding dong do nothing wrong. No bumbo clad, silent and in batty. A silent batty mash up silent life. The fuck when I come talk about LGBTQ community, I say them go boycott all of ding dong country. Bumbo all LGBTQ community who want Magnum or Digicel or blood clad Ramesh Entertainment. I suck on the mama, man. I want to now go like say on the front for batty, man. On the front for batty.